Welcome back to Acsendia Aviation News. Today we're unlocking one of aviation's biggest mysteries, the black box. And joining us is expert aviator Mr. Sarath Kumar Pachayil.
Hi everybody.
Sir, first things first, what is a black box?
It is actually not one box, it is two. A cockpit voice recorder and a flight data recorder. It records the behavior of the aircraft and the cockpit crew conversations.
Interesting. And why is it called a black box when it's orange?
Good catch. Traditionally, it is called a black box, but it is painted orange, fluorescent orange color, to find it easily after the accident. In the olden times, the black box was black in color, so it was very difficult to find it after the crash, because after the burn, every parts or it looks black.
How tough are these boxes? Can they really survive a crash?
Absolutely. They are designed to withstand extreme heat, extreme pressure, and even it can stay underwater 30 days without any issues.
And how important is it during investigations?
It is really critical, and the black box leads the investigators what really went wrong and what happened to the aircraft. And it leads us to the correct investigation findings, and it can be prevented in the future as well.
The FDR records technical flight data like speed, altitude, and engine performance, while the CVR captures the pilot conversations and cockpit sounds. This data helps investigators understand what happened during a flight, especially in the event of an accident. Installed typically at rear of the aircraft for maximum protection. Black boxes can store up to 25 hours of flight data and 2 hours of audio. Their importance in the aviation safety cannot be overstated, as they provide essential insights that helps improve aircraft design, pilot training, and future flight safety protocols. Make it wonderful for a future of a safety airplaning.
Amazing insights. Thank you, Mr. Sarath Kumar Pachayil. This was Acsendia Aviation News, where we bring you closer to the skies.